Hey guys, Roger here, and if you're looking for some new RGB fans for your PC case, or perhaps if you're planning a new build, take a look at these. This video is sponsored by AbkonCore. So these are the Hurricane Spectrum Sync fans from AbkonCore. This is a pack of 3 120mm RGB fans, and in the box obviously you get those 3 fans, a remote control, the main control unit that you connect all of the fans to, a nice piece of Velcro that you can use to put the control hub somewhere inside the PC case, and they also include obviously all of the screws and some vibration dampening plugs which are made of a soft rubber material. So this set of 3 really nice looking fans have the AbkonCore logo on one side which lights up, and on the other side you have more of a plain design, still with the AbkonCore logo in the middle, and on both sides there's a separate RGB ring around the outer edge. I really like the look of this, it's a nice design I think. The fan casing feels high quality and it's just as good as any of the other brands I've seen, and in each corner you can see there's a small foam pad to help with vibration while it's inside your case. Now according to AbkonCore, these fans have a hydro bearing at the centre which helps them keep running smoothly, and AbkonCore also say it helps the fans run much quieter too. Now you definitely can hear these fans obviously while they're running, but they don't make that much noise. Now obviously you can install these fans as an intake or an exhaust, and I think regardless of which way round you decide to install them, they look really good, and so does the RGB. Installing them is just as easy as any other 120mm fan, and once they're in your PC case you simply connect all of them to the included control hub, and the control hub has a simple 4-pin Molex power connector, so nothing really crazy, nice and simple, and if your motherboard supports it you can connect the included motherboard sync connector or VDG connector, which will allow you to control the RGB of these fans along with the other RGB in your case, and you're doing that using your motherboard software. Now something that is good is that if your motherboard doesn't support RGB control, you do still have a few other really cool options. Now you can connect the reset switch in your case to the control hub so that you can use the reset button on your PC case to control the RGB. That's pretty cool. And you can also use the included RF remote control, which gives you the ability to control absolutely everything, including the speed of the fans, the color of the effect, and there are over 61 different modes to choose from with the RGB. Something rather important to point out is that the speed of the fans are controlled by the control hub and not the motherboard, and you can switch between a low or a high speed setting using the button on the control hub or by using the RF remote control. The remote control is actually very handy. There are lots of different options. It gives you control over everything the fans can actually do. You can even switch between a motherboard sync and manual control simply by pressing one button on the remote, which is a really good feature, and it could come in quite handy in the future. It means that you can switch to motherboard control or manual control without actually having to open up the PC case. So that's pretty good. Now I have teamed up with AbkonCore obviously to look at lots of their products, and so far I've used these fans in a few different cases. I've used them in the Helios 500G Sync and the Helios 300G Sync, and you can see the videos of those cases and you can have a look at the fans by clicking on the link up here or in the description below. But something that I have discovered is that when you connect these fans to one of their Sync PC cases, the remote control allows you to control all of the RGB in the case, including the fans that come with the case already and the ones that you're adding. So if you're thinking about buying an AbkonCore PC case for your PC build, these fans are actually a perfect match, and you'll have full control over all of the features. So that's pretty good. A few months ago, I had never heard of AbkonCore, but their products are actually pretty good in terms of quality and price. It's important to remember that yes, this is a sponsored video, which means I have been paid by AbkonCore to show you their products, and there are still a few more sponsored videos to come as well. But I still always give my honest opinion about every product that I feature on this channel. And once again, these fans look good, they're good quality, And every time I look at another product from AbkonCore, I'm starting to like the brand more and more. These are the full specs of the fans, but if you want to know more about them, you'll find all the relevant links in the description below. And if you like this video, or if you found it useful in some way, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll be checking out more PC hardware on the channel soon, so if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing so that you don't miss my next video. I'm Roger with Life of Tech. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.